Hello and welcome. Today I'll show you how to make clothes on Roblox mobile using the MakerBlocks app. First, download MakerBlocks from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Once installed, open the app and tap on which part you'd like to begin with first, whether it's for the shirts or pants. Next, customize your item. Apply your favorite texture or import your own image. Add stickers, colors, or accessories like bags and pockets. There's a lot to choose from, so take your time and pick carefully. Once your design is ready, tap on Save in the upper right corner to save it locally in your gallery. Then on your browser, go to roblox.com. Select Continue in Browser, then sign in with your account. Go to the Create section, look for the 3-line menu in the upper left, tap it, and select Creations. Scroll along at the top choices until you find Avatar items. Select it and choose Classics. Choose the filter to whichever part you made some clothes for, then tap Upload Assets. Tap Upload again, then find your saved image. Fill in the details and publish it, which would require you a small Robux fee. And that's it! You've created and uploaded custom Roblox clothing using MakerBlocks on mobile. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.